family. This is Natural Lux Diva. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm coming in to show you the simple steps that I use to keep my Louis Vuitton Turenne PM clean and beautiful. Also, I'm going to show you what's inside of it. I'm going to do a before and after look of the bag. Here's a close-up of it. And if you can see right here, there's a little darkness, which is probably some dirt from using the handles quite a bit. Here's the bottom. I use it every day. I take it everywhere with me. Okay, so this is the before, and I will be coming back after I wipe it down and clean it to show you what it looks like afterwards. This is the after look of the crossbody strap. The vachetta leather is absolutely beautiful. The canvas of it looks absolutely beautiful. There's no cracking. The hardware on this side is absolutely beautiful. It still looks like brand new. And then on this side, there's just a little bit of fading on the clip. I make sure the cloth is saturated, but not soaking wet. And I just start wiping down all of the canvas. For the vachetta leather, I use baby wipes. This brand is by Pampers, but they're the sensitive wipes. Actually, you can use any brand you want. I would just suggest to get the ones with no alcohol or perfume inside of it. And that's all I do to clean my bags, and so far it has been very, very effective. Okay, before I start pulling everything out, here's a quick look inside of it. For this to be a PM bag, it can hold quite a bit because there's a lot of things in here and I still have room for more. Before I get started, I want to show you the lippy that I'm wearing. This is number 720 and the color is called Luster. Okay, the first thing I have is my Louis Vuitton Equip notebook. And this is in the size MM. I have my size 15 toiletry pouch. I always share what's inside of this pouch, so I won't go through everything this time. Okay, the next thing I have is a pack of tissue. They come in a pack of 8 at the Dollar Tree for $1. Next, I have a mini can of Lysol to go, and I always try to keep one of these in my handbags because you never know when you may go to a public restroom, and some of them really smell funny, so this is always good to have with you. I have my round coin purse from Louis Vuitton. There's coins in there, and I also have my gift card from Target. I got this gift card over the holidays, December 2016, and I keep it because it's always reloadable. Next, I have my pencil case. Here are all the ink pens that I have inside, including my little Tiffany ink pen. This pencil case has really been good, but it's getting worn out, so I'm going to have to eventually get another one. And I'm pretty sure that most of you in the handbag world know about getting a pen or pencil case, but just in case you don't, I would suggest that you get one. If you're going to invest a lot of money in your bag, you want to make sure that it doesn't get ink stains, which is permanent inside of the handbags. The case pens are really good for organization. They keep your pens and pencils in a safe place, but more than that, they keep your handbags protected. Next is my translucent powder from Chanel. I've had this for a while, so I'll probably be replacing it with a new one. I have some receipts that I have to go through. Next, I have my ticket stub from Black Panther. It was absolutely amazing, and I hope to get a chance to go see it again. Next, I have my earbuds, and if you can see right there, here's my cute little repurposed Louis Vuitton earbud holder, and I absolutely love this little thing. I have a hand sanitizer spray. I purchased a bunch of these over the holidays, and I prefer these over the gel. Next, I have this cute little pouch from Louis Vuitton, and inside of it, I house the True Lemon crystals. This is 100% dried lemon. There's no additives, no sweeteners or anything inside of it. They also carry these in True Lime. Next, I have another hand cream by L'Occitane. It keeps my cuticles and hands really, really moisturized. And last but certainly not least is my card holder by Louis Vuitton. And I love this one because this is the one with the snap. And right now I'm using it as a mini wallet, and it has been working perfectly for me. This is very special to me because I purchased it as a gift to myself when I completed grad school in December of 2016. When I was a student, there were times when this journey was really hard. I went through health problems, the emotional part of me that was discouraged. That part of me asked, what are you doing back in school at this age? But the determined side of me said, you're gonna do it no matter what. And I thank God that I listened to the determined side and I finally finished. I don't know what your journey is, but I know at times it can be really, really hard. There's that part of you that's emotional and tired and discouraged. And there's also that side of you that's determined to get through it no matter what. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you all have a wonderful, blessed, and safe day. You all take care. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye.